Very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are here with some spell. With that you can take revenge from your enemy, or you can destroy your enemy with doing this spell. While doing this cast, this spell, you have to take your full concentration, and if you want to destroy your enemy, then this spell will work for you. You have to see this video, don't skip any step, because all steps are very important for that spell. And you have to know about the name of your enemy, age, and his or her mobile number. That's the thing required for this spell, nothing else of this. You have to, if you want to do this spell, you have to take a plain paper, a black marker, nothing expect required for that. After that, for this spell, for chanting this spell, you have to make a human diagram like this. It can be any shape, but it should be humans, because a lots of people are suffering from enemy problem. That's why we are making this video, to destroy your enemy, to destroy enemy's problem in your life, and you can take revenge after doing this spell. You have to make like this. Here you have to write his or her name, like his name is Tom, and you have to write here. And then you want to take revenge, and you have to make 2 crosses in this. And after that you have to make a small cross here on the left side. Then you have to make that right side. Here you have to cross, and after that you have to make a circle up of the diagram. After that you have to tell that revenge. You have to fold this paper not towards you, not on your side. It should be like on the opposite side. Like this. And after that you have to burn this paper very properly. And after that you burn that paper, you have to trash that wastage. You have to throw that wastage into the toilet and flush it. And when you flush it, after 2 days, your enemy starting destroying. You will see that he start destroy, and he face the lots of problem financially, wealth, and all the sector. He will see the problems. If you have any kind of question, you can call us. Thank you. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and click bell icon. Thank you.